Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of PokeS. In today's video, we're going to be opening up the Iono Premium Tournament Collection Box. It includes a deck box, card sleeves, and more. What more could we ask for? Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, we got some pink dice. Got a cool Iono coin, pretty cool. We got, the Iono full art promo. That is really nice. Look at all the sparkles. Now I'm going to keep this sealed because I like sealed stuff in my collection. Sealed cards. So let's keep that sealed for now. Here are the sleeves. Pretty cool. And the deck box. The packs should be inside. Let's open it up. Yep. We got forgot what these are. And the packs, and they were really squished in there. Temporal Forces, another pack of Temporal Forces, Paradox Rifts, Obsidian Flame, Scarlet and Violet, and Lost Origin. Kinda weird seeing a Sword and Shield pack in a Scarlet and Violet product. But anyways, let's open these packs up in the order that they were given. Let's start with Temporal Forces. Code card. This product is looking cool. Let's see if we get anything. Nothing. And the last one, a Fergra. Can't say that card. EX, and that's really shiny. Kind of weird. Never seen that type of shininess on it. And a Psychic Energy. Let's leave this up. Pretty nice out of the first pack. Next pack, another Temporal Forces. But yeah, this Scarlet and Violet product is looking awesome. Let's see if we can get any more hits. Alright, can we get something else? Lycanroc. And just a holo. Next off, Paradox Rift. I've still not pulled the Roaring Moon card, so let's hope we get it in this pack. Probably not because of how hard it is to pull that card. But maybe Seadra and another holo and Fighting Energy. Maybe we can pull a Charizard from Obsidian Flames. Code card. Can we guess the energy? Fire? Water. Wow. Can we pull the Charizard? Bronzor and a holo Scrivian. Maybe we can get something cool from the Scarlet and Violet base sets. I forgot what the hit card, chase card, was in this set. One of you could put in the comments. That'd be nice. I see something shiny in the back. Maybe we can get it. Sandile and Indeedee. I am really getting sick of these hollow borders. They are throwing me off. Maybe we can get some last pack magic from Lost Origin. Code card. Oh, let's do the card trick. Let's go old school. Guess not that old, but still. Goomy, Bronzor, Snoovar, Jinx, and a non-holo. Wait, where did that? Oh, and a non-holo. Wow. We only got one hit out of all those packs. Well, better luck next time, I guess. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could please leave a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing. That'll help out the channel a lot. See you all in the next one. Bye.